Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be discussing about how Relevance AI agents improve your AI system. So if you do not know what this platform is about, it is about automation. Like for example, if you want to extract data from Google Sheets, it is going to be helping you to do that without doing it manually. So how you can exactly do that, let me just show you. So let's just begin. Now on the left side, you can see we have various different type of options showing up. We're going to be choosing tools from here, and in here you can see once I click on the tools, it will be taking us to this tools section, and here you can create new tools. So simply click on this new tool option on the top right side, and once you do that, you can see it is telling us to invent a tool. You can describe what you want your tool to do, and we will help build it. So to do it, it is actually pretty easy. What you're going to do is simply, let's just say I'm going to be starting with a example, like for example, summarize and unread emails. I'm going to be clicking on start, and now it is just taking a moment to build a tool. You can see the inventor, and it is doing its job. It is going to be taking a moment, and then we are going to be having an automated system that is going to be simply summarizing unread emails. So you can see, are your unread emails from a specific provider, like for example Gmail, Outlook? So I'm going to be providing in here the option, yes, it's Gmail. So simply press enter, just wait for a couple of moments. Would you like a brief summary of each unread Gmail or a single overall summary combined? So I'm going to be telling it, um, yes, a brief summary, and then press enter again. Now it is almost done, and it is going to be building the tool. So you can see our tool is now ready, and now we can use it. So you can see what your agent should pass into this tool, or what you need to set this basically for. So we can provide data in here, and then of course it is going to be providing us all the summary. So now it is ready to review, and we can suggest a tool name. You can get under emails and everything. So that is pretty much it, and make sure to check the link in the description for getting access and discounts on Relevance AI. So make sure to give it a try. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.